back to my channel. It's Aruk's Hot Fashionista again. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a hair video, so I thought of going natural. I've already gone natural months ago, so I decided to get back to my natural look again, and I'll jump straight to the video to show you how I achieved this kind of look. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. So let's get straight to it. Hi guys, so I'm done crocheting my hair. As you can see, I know it's not looking good at this stage, but I'll just trim it off with this scissors so that I can be able to get a nice style. Yeah, so I'll just trim it off slowly by slowly like this. Until I get the desired fit, the desired style. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I've trimmed it off a little bit, so I'm just going to spray some water to make it a little bit wet so that I can be able to coil it. So guys, let's just pretend this is my natural hair. Yeah. Then spray a little water here till it's wet. Then hold it like this and then just coil my hair. Add a little more. By the time I'm done, it's gonna look like my natural hair for real. You see it's coiling? Coil like a little bit here. Let me add some more water. It's a little wet. This is the final look, guys. What do you think, guys? Did I kill it? Did I kill the natural hairstyle? Look at the back. I'm not sure how the back looks like, so kindly comment down below. Let me know how it looks like. I don't have a back mirror, but I hope it looks fine. Comment down below, let me know how the back looks like. I love this African thing going on over here. I really love it. I'm in love with this style. I'm in love with these styles. Oh, I forgot to slay my edges. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I have my gel and I'll slay it later. I think I'll take a photo when I've already slayed my edges. But I really hope, guys, you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, click the subscription button below so that you can be able to watch more of my tutorials. I do hair, I do clothes, and I do travel vlogs. Yeah, so see you guys on the next video, and bye.